Hey, my name is Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm a licensed public insurance adjuster and get a lot of frequently asked questions, which has spurred me to do these videos. And today I'm going to be talking about, is it too late to hire a public adjuster? The answer is not really, but potentially. It depends on where you're at in the process. And that's why we always ask people to get us involved sooner rather than later, because the longer you wait, the fewer options you might have. And let me explain that for a second. That means that if you had a hailstorm in 2018 and then you didn't file a claim until later in 2019, are you within that time frame to actually make a claim based on what your policy says? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It just really depends. And so the other part of it is, the longer you wait, there's other statutes and limitations that could apply to your policy from a state perspective. Okay, so there's a lot of laws and a lot of guidelines and requirements in the policy that might limit your ability to collect what's fully due to you if you don't do it within a timely manner. So going back to the question, is it too late to hire a public adjuster? It depends. If you've gotten multiple payments from the insurance carrier and you're only $5,000 off, is it really worth hiring a public adjuster? Does a public adjuster want to get involved? Depending on the location, the time, the specifics of the claim, maybe, maybe not. But if you have signed what's called a full release of claim, some version of that, each company has a different version of what they call it, but ultimately what you're doing is you're saying, hey, insurance company, thank you. I appreciate the amount of money on this claim. You are fully released from any other obligations that I might make towards this claim. P.S. Don't sign that until you have somebody that is licensed to review that with you, and sometimes it might be an attorney, okay? But this is the deal. We just want to get involved as soon as possible because that helps you and it helps us. It just depends on where you're at in the process. So it might be too late, but most likely not. I would say 9 out of 10 times it is not too late to hire a public adjuster, but just do it as soon as you can and you're educated to what a public adjuster is. Hire us as soon as possible. Even if you haven't even made a claim yet, sometimes people will hire us just to take the burden off of having to deal with an insurance claim. It's stressful, it's confusing, it's time consuming, there's so much that goes into it. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com, and let us know how we can help you.